And I didn't want to take too much of your time today. I just wanted to come in and give you guys a quick update on a couple of interesting things happening in financial markets right now. Bitcoin is on everybody's mind. Everybody's talking about Bitcoin right now. So I'm going to start off by talking about Bitcoin. But I addressed it a little bit yesterday, but I felt the need to address it again today because it keeps going up. And not only is Bitcoin continuing to rise, but you're actually seeing a lot of cryptos rise. I think XRP had an insane rise. Litecoin, Stellar Lumens, a lot of these other coins are actually really taking off, and I think it's important to kind of just take note of what's going on. And I'll give you some insights on some of that. If you could do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button. This is not going to be a long conversation, but put your hashtag B1 in the chat. Hashtag B1 means that we're Black first on this platform. That means the Black community comes first, Black wealth comes first, Black Wall Street comes first. Black people are number one. We will rise again. So we will rise like Bitcoin. How about that? Black coin. How about that? All right. So hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. So basically, Bitcoin shot up, I think, to over 23,000 through the night. I love the crypto markets. They're so much fun to watch because they just move all night long, and you can wake up in the morning and see what's going on with your holdings. And I'll just tell you point blank, I've been buying more Bitcoin lately, a lot more. I already owned a lot because I owned it from 2017 when it crashed. And now when the dip hit, I didn't keep buying into the dip. I just held what I had. But I wish I'd bought into the dip now because it's going up, up, up. And what really got my attention today was I saw that there's a company called Guggenheim Investments that actually put a price target on Bitcoin of $400,000, which is like whoa. Like literally, they put a price. The price target is what they expect the price to be maybe in the next 2, 3, 4 years. They literally had a price target of $400,000 for Bitcoin. That's hard to imagine right now because Bitcoin is about 20. I think right now, as of this recording, maybe it's 22 something like that. 400,000 is kind of like whoa. And at the very least, I think being there, if it happens, is kind of a cool thing. And I also think that the fundamental arguments for why Bitcoin is rising they hold pretty well. They're pretty, it's pretty stable stuff. So anyway, give me a yes or no in the chat if you own any Bitcoin at all. Yes or no? Do you own any Bitcoin at all, or did you completely run away when the market crashed? Give me a yes or no. And I want to see how many of you own Bitcoin and how many of you don't. Also, don't forget that tomorrow the Black Real Estate Weekend starts. If you're interested in real estate, the Black Business School, we have your back. We can actually get you started in real estate or help you advance. We've got experts coming in that are experts on buying your first home, multifamily property, commercial real estate, tax lien investing, becoming a real estate agent, all that stuff. So go to blackrealestateweekend.com. That's blackrealestateweekend.com if you'd like to join us. We get started on Friday morning. All right, so let me see. I see a lot of yeses in here. I see a few no's. Let me see here. Sharon and Thaley says no. Dexter, yes. Is that Tequila? Is that your name, Tequila? Not with an E. It's T-A. That's a beautiful name, by the way. I'm not making fun of your name, Miss Trumel, because you're here. That means you're an intelligent Black person, so I love you. Keisha and Marie. Okay, good to. All right, so I see your answers here. If you want my position on Bitcoin, I think that there are fundamental reasons to believe that it's going to go up. The Fed is basically printing money. And that right there means that your dollar is going to go down in value. So the argument that a lot of these rich guys are making is that Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation, that if the fiat currency drops in value, Bitcoin, they believe, will hold its value because of scarce supply and all that stuff. Is that going to be true? Nobody really knows exactly, but it's pretty exciting to watch. The other thing, too, is more mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin is also a driving factor. I believe that there's a herding effect, a herd meaning like herds like sheep, like people follow the leaders. And so when these leaders, these big billionaires who were very skeptical of Bitcoin are now buying billions of dollars of it, it makes a lot of people take notice of that. And I think that also becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy because it pushes the price up because demand is going up. So I'm optimistic. There's a reason why I put my family's money, not all of it, not a chunk of it, not a high percentage of it, but a small percentage of my family's money into Bitcoin and into crypto across the board because I do believe there's something to behold there. Also, in terms of the stock market in general, the stock market got a little bit of a boost today. Right now, your ridiculous, pathetic congressmen are actually getting the stimulus package together. There are some who believe that this is going to be real, that they're really going to do what they're supposed to do, and they're going to pass a package. They're saying right now about $900 billion, which might come with little checks, maybe $300 to $600 or something. They got a deadline of Saturday. These people tend to only move when there's a deadline. They're like our 17-year-old. He only does his homework when the homework's due 10 minutes from now. So they're kind of doing the same thing that our 17-year-old does, and so I believe they're going to get something done. And I believe that good news is going to boost the market. So I see good things on the horizon for the stock market. The only dip, the only negative right now is, well, two things. One, long term, your Fed is printing money, which is kind of a problem. That's a long term problem. But then two, short term, you just got these crazy headlines with this virus. So now that the virus is, they've got the vaccine out there and all that good stuff. There are people who believe that that's all kind of a temporary thing. It's kind of like, they should say basically, I would argue that you shouldn't, as an investor, I wouldn't. This is not investment advice, but it's me saying I don't make long-term decisions based on short-term information, or I don't provide long-term solutions for a short-term problem. And what that means is that I see the virus and all that as a short-term problem. So if prices drop on any asset because of something as temporary as this virus, and the vaccine's on its way, the vaccine's being shipped out, it becomes a national emergency, then that's going to go away and the prices are going to come back up and money will be made. So once they announce a stimulus package, don't be surprised if you see a big jump in stock prices. It's very predictable. But then again, though, anything can happen. But I don't see any reason why stock prices should be strong this week, and really even beyond that. Like, I really think that the big money is going to be made once the coast is clear. In the recovery stocks, the airlines and stuff like that. I'm holding my American Airlines portfolio and my other airlines and hotels and all that, pretty much knowing that at some point they're going to take off and it's going to be worth more money. So anyway, that's pretty much those are my thoughts for today. Also tonight, I want to remind you guys, you guys know we believe in building black industry. So tonight we are supporting a black filmmaker named Mark Harris. Mark has agreed to show his film Stock Option. It's a black love story. I'm a believer that black people must own assets. I believe that black people must control industries. I believe that we need to control media. So we're doing Black Movie Night, which is totally free. And we're going to show the film Stock Option, which is a black love story, which also fits another thing I believe. I believe we should show more black love stories on screen anyway, so black people can love each other again. So if you'd like a good black love story, join us tonight. Today is the 17th at the time of this recording. We're going to meet tonight at 8 o'clock. You can go to blackmovienight.net. The URL's on the screen. That's blackmovienight.net. And also, don't forget the Black Real Estate Weekend is this weekend. So blackrealestateweekend.com. So we can have fun on Thursday night and then get together and learn together on Friday and Saturday through Black Real Estate Weekend. And again, our real estate experts will cover they just know everything. It's a bunch of them. It's not just one smart person. It's literally 8 smart people all coming together and just dumping information and knowledge on you. So you don't have to do this by yourself, right? That's why black people are going to be the most financially literate group of people in the country, because, now we're kind of in this economic revolution where a lot of us are becoming aware of just how important our economic situation is when it comes to our liberation as people. And of course, you guys know we have a social media platform. It's on my t-shirt, blackenough.com. We own this. We have a trademark on this, right? We actually own this name. So if you're black enough, join Black Enough. It's a great social media platform. A lot of black people hang out and talk and stuff like that. And there's freedom of speech. So feel free to check it out. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Have a good day. Thanks for listening. And I'm actually going to go live in a few minutes on the Black Financial Channel and Your Black World TV to talk about with Noma Langa and Estia Brown, a relationship therapist. Where actually the question for today is, can a woman love a man who has no money? Can a woman love a broke ass man? So that's the question for today. So feel free to come and hang out with us there if you want to check out that conversation. It's yourblackworldtv.com. So feel free to join and give us your 2 cents on that. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.